When people tell you that they do not have money, don't let them leave your presence before you provide a situation for them. Hey there, this is Samuel Zan, the Bootstrap Entrepreneur. I'm so excited to be with you here again today. In this video, you're going to learn how to get that prospect to make payment even though the prospect says, I do not have money. There are very simple processes to this. I already have a video on where I explained how anyone could get prospects to pay when someone says, I do not have money. I've already explained what you need to do. But in this particular video, there's something about emotions, especially if you are in Africa, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in any African country or third world country where things are usually a bit tight for people. Things are tight everywhere for most people who need to start this business, and they will tell you, I have a budget, I don't have enough money to do this, or I didn't budget for it. All of those things are important. Of course, they are giving you excuses, but the real excuse is not that they cannot get the money. Now, I had a discussion with someone, and this guy saw the video. I showed him the business, and he was excited. But then, he told me, I don't have the money to do this. And I looked at him. I asked him, is it that you do not have the money to do this, or you have other reasons why you don't want to do this business? And he told me, sincerely, I don't have money. If I had the money, I would have started already. And I said, okay, let me ask you some questions. What if someone you love gets entangled in something? And he told me, I won't kill myself. If I try anything and I'm not able to get the person out of whatever situation the person is, then I've done my best. There's nothing else I can do about it. So I asked him specific questions. I asked him, do you have children? Are you married? He said, yes, he's married. Do you have children? He said, yes, I have kids. You know, men love their daughters. I know that instinctively. And I asked him, what about your daughter? He said, yeah, I love my daughter. I said, good. What if, God forbid, your daughter has to be rushed to a hospital right now, and the doctor tells you that it takes a particular amount? You know, so what I did was I mentioned the amount to start. Let's say it's $100. I said, what if the doctor says you have to bring $100 right now, and if you bring it, in 30 minutes, your daughter will be okay, and in the next 2 hours, you guys can actually go home. But if you do not pay this money, in the next 2 hours, I can't guarantee what will happen to your daughter. Maybe something bad could happen, or maybe we may not be able to save her. And I asked him calmly, if this kind of situation occurs, what will be your reaction? I didn't say anything, I just kept quiet. I looked at him. After a while, he responded, I will have to do anything, whatever it takes. My daughter cannot die. I'll have to save my daughter. And I said, wow, so that means you could do something about this. He said, yes, I could do something about this. I said, that means you could actually find the money to do the business, because the $100 I told you about is exactly the same amount. So we're using $100 just to say the start of business is $100. So I said, the $100 you needed for your daughter is exactly the same $100 you need to get yourself out of this situation, because your finances are in a mess. You need to find the money so that you could change your life. And he told me, so what do I need to do? I said, find a way. Just find a way. So when people tell you that, and sincerely they do not have money, don't let them leave your presence before you provide a situation for them. Tell them, how much money do you have? Let's take a situation of the doctor that says, bring your daughter and then provide $100. The doctor could say, I understand you do not have $100, but what do you have? $20, $50? Pay it in and go and get the remaining. So let the person drop whatever they have. Let me tell you, the Bible says that where a man's treasure is, there also his heart will be. If someone makes part payment, that person is likely to make it good. Do you understand? So if you get this person to see and move himself out of the box, that my daughter's life is important and it takes $100, and no matter what happens, I will do everything within my powers to bring the $100 so I could save my daughter's life. So also, they can find a way to get $100 to move themselves out of financial bad situation they found themselves in. I hope this helps someone. So when you are talking to a prospect and they just understand that they will always say, I do not have money. Sometimes they are lying. But then ask them, is it that you do not really have money, or is it a way of dismissing me and telling me that I don't need the business, or I do not want to be a part of the business, or I do not want to connect to the business? The people that are saying the truth will tell you, I don't have the money sincerely. Then you can tell a story. Use someone they love. Paint a situation where someone has to be rushed to a hospital, or a situation where someone was wrongly jailed, and then see their reaction. And in that situation, they will figure out that they can actually find the money to start. It's just in their head. All right? I hope this helps someone today. This is Samuel and the Bootstrap Entrepreneur. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on this. Or if you've been in a situation where someone said, I don't have money, what did you do? If you've not subscribed, why not you consider subscribing so that the algorithms can help other people, bring up this video so that other people can be helped as well. All right? Thank you and have a good one today. Bye-bye.